7:40. The National Weather Service in Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Axel Carlson Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Forked River, Rivulet, Manasquan Inlet and Seaside Park until 8:45 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 18 nautical miles west of Rivulet to 16 nautical miles west of Forked River, or from 14 nautical miles west of Pine Beach to 14 nautical miles northwest of North Beach Haven, moving east to 25 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over Forked River by 8:20 p.m. over Seaside Park, Rivulet and Barnegat Light by 8:25 p.m. over Barnegat Light Reef, and 2 nautical miles south of Manasquan Inlet by 8:30 p.m. over Axel Carlson Reef by 8:35 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
The official 8:45 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Here is the forecast.